It's like a little video icon. That's gonna allow you to activate your camera.
Okay.
Rudy.
Okay.
Rudy.
Okay.
What's up, Rudy?
How you doing, sir?
So now you are at a point where you realize these overlays, even though it's quite simple, it's taking a good amount of my time going back.
Yeah, it is.
It's about building the infrastructure first and building it quickly so that you can also start hiring people right away. A lot of folks, what happens, Rudy, is they get started with their girlfriend or their spouse and they just move forward in that direction because it works for them, but it's only limited to 2 people, which means that businesses can only make so much money, Rudy. And also if they decide to sell the business after a year, then whoever's going to buy the business is buying some of the clientele that's already built in, right?
Oh, yeah.
Buying the equipment, but they're not buying you and your wife, the operators of the business.
Yeah.
So you want to start setting up your business to a point where it almost runs on its own, and then you just staff it. And you're going to say, you know what? From now on, when I'm out and about at a venue, at a restaurant, when I see talent, I'm going to ask them, hey, how would you like to be part of a fun business where you get compensated to have a good time?
Yeah.
And you start finding talent, and all of a sudden they're doing the things that you would be doing, which is running around with the camera, getting photos and videos in different formats. And some of your profit is going to them, but overall your business is making more money because that has freed you up to do other things for the business that's going to bring in a lot more money. You continue to be the visionary.